I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that this is about politics of 2027. This is about who is going to be the governor of 2027. The Speaker of National Assembly, in 2 occasions, one when I was present in the funeral of the mother of a colleague, a former colleague of mine, Mutaki, where I was there, and he said that they must pull down this building. Recently, when he was addressing the County Assembly of Bungoma, he also said that he must revenge against the Wangamatis. Now, this is not about us as a family in the land. This was between Wyclife of Wangamati and Moses Masika Wetangula, the Speaker of the National Assembly. And I want to tell the Speaker of the National Assembly that, one, if you feel that when I was governor I made mistakes, address me, come after me. Don't go after my father, don't go after my family, don't go after anybody else. Because the other day they were going after my mother-in-law, who's also just a neighbor to this stadium. Mimi kama Wangamati, I'm the one who started this stadium. I cannot be against development. I cannot be against the infrastructure. My record in Bungoma is very clear. My record in Bungoma, everybody knows. Yes. People know that this stadium was started by one Wyclife of Wangamati. I cannot be the person against such development. This dual carriage that they are talking about in Yonaweka Mata, ilianzisha na Wyclife of Wangamati. When they advertised to, we made an application, wakanipa letter of allotment, niko na letter of allotment, niko na plans, niko na lease 99 years. Sasa kitu gani ingine? You have paid rates and rents. I've been paying rates and rents every year. I'm an investor in Bungoma. Sasa kama investor tukichukua vitu tunafunja vile tunafunja, na serikali ndio ilinipa hii plot na wanafunja, surely sisi katika Bungoma tunaenda wapi?